Today, we'll be going over how to install an EcoHitch for your Tucson. Use a socket wrench to remove the 3 hex head screws from the bottom of the vehicle. Then, use a trim tool to carefully remove the 4 clips and remove the lower bumper cover for later. Next, put together the hardware onto your bolt fisher and feed them into the hole in the frame. There may be a rubber plug to remove. You may find mounting the hitch easier if you remove the exhaust from the hangers. Lift the hitch into place, threading the metric hardware into the rearward most holes on the bottom side of the frame. Once that is secure, continue to mount the hitch with metric bolts onto the sides of the frame. Next, remove the bolt fisher from the bolts and thread the appropriate hardware onto it. Then, using the dimensions laid out in the booklet, trim the bottom of your bumper to cover your cross member. Finally, torque all the hardware to the specifications in the instructions and reinstall the bumper. Once that's all done, your EcoHitch is properly installed.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing TorqueLift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.